Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We're in for a hotter day today. Those temperatures not far from the triple digits, but we'll stay just below the hundreds. That's the good news there, but it's still going to be hotter. We're going to get some more breezes across that northern half of our state, especially some light breezes here in the valley. Now, the good news is today likely the hottest day of the week before temperatures start trending down, and we'll end up near average again this weekend. Now, eventually we'll get some cooler air, but we're also getting some breezes as a result of that area of low pressure sitting well to our northwest. It's going to stay to our north as it moves east, but again, the breezes will increase, especially across that northern and northeast pocket of our state going through the next few days, really into the weekend. Winds here in the valley will feel some light breezes, but generally not as strong as what we'll feel up north. And even up there, we're not talking howling winds, but we are going to get some sustained winds between about 10 and 20 miles an hour as we go into this afternoon, gusts near 30 miles an hour. And tomorrow, a repeat 25-mile-an-hour wind, certainly not out of the question, with some slightly stronger gusts upwards near 30 miles an hour in that northeast pocket of the state especially. Again, here in the valley, just some light breezes over the next few days between about 5 and 15 miles an hour. So fairly light up north. That's what we'll see, those breezy to windy conditions. Now, as that disturbance passes to our north, don't expect any rain. We're likely to stay dry through the next 7 days. Not seeing those rain chances returning. I'm not just talking the valley, but the state looking dry. So our rain deficit continuing to grow. A high of 97 degrees today in Phoenix, 6 degrees hotter than it was yesterday, and that's also 6 degrees above the average for this time of year. That 30-year average is 91. We'll hit 94 in Deer Valley, 96 in Glendale and in Gilbert, 96 in AJ, 95 for a high today in Goodyear. Across the state, warmer as well. You'll notice low 90s to our west. No triple digits anywhere, though, in our state. Good news there. Mid to upper 90s across central and southern Arizona. 80s today in Sedona, Grand Canyon into the 70s, also Heber and Show Low making it into the 70s today. Going into this afternoon, those lows fall into the 40s across much of northern Arizona with some 50s from Kingman over to Globe, and those lows down into the 50s in spots like Casa Grande, but the valley likely only cooling into the mid 60s by tomorrow morning. So another fairly cool to mild start tomorrow, but notice how tomorrow's temperature not as hot, 94 for a high, and then by Friday a little closer to average, but it'll be this weekend when we see those near average high temperatures again, low 90s, even some upper 80s with cool mornings in the 50s and 60s.